Right, I'm ill as hell. I've got to get this washing machine in that slot there, and I've somehow got to get the pipe work and everything down as well. I'm the only person that's on site. So I'm going to give it a go on my ones, see what happens. Oh my God. Nah, this is long. I just don't know how I'm going to do this. Alright, you know what? Let's just try some madness. Can't even get my arms around it, man. Fucking hell. I know what to do. Right, I'm going to put this pack out box on the floor. I should be able to rock it onto this first, so then I can properly lift it up. You know what, actually? Bloody hell. Right. I'll try and get this on now. Bloody hell. Oh, for the clothes, it's one of the bigger ones. Bloody heavy, man. Right, there's a hole for the plug. Now, let's try and slide it on to the platform. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yes. Oh, it's in. It's going to plumb it in now. Oh, you won't believe it. That washing machine is meant to go there, and then another one there, and then the dryer is going there. So that's gone in for no reason. Ugh. Lovely. This one feels a little bit lighter than that one. Yes. I had to put it through an extension lead because the plugs don't work. So I put both an extension lead just to test the wastes.